It's been a day of superlatives at the stock market. Biggest sell-off since COVID. Steepest weekly decline in years. Longest losing streak in over a year. As FIIs turned relentless sellers, even the DII retaining wall could not hold up. Nifty opened gap down, plunging up to 1,160 points or 5.1%. The BSE Sensex fell nearly 4,000 points before recovering later in trade. Investor wealth of a whopping 19 lakh crore rupees wiped out. All sectors were in the red, led by metal, which was down more than 8.5%. Media, IT, energy and public sector stocks were the other losers. While the root of the chaos is the massive burden of Trump tariff across the globe, other elements have added tadka to the mix. China rattled world market by retaliating with its own 34% tariffs. Beijing's stance that it will not fold under pressure has sparked concern of an all-out global trade war. The trade war is also expected to drive up inflation, shrink corporate profit and hit consumer sentiment. There could be a delay in rate cuts and in the worst case scenario lead to global recession. Every major stock market around the world was deep in the red on Monday, especially after Trump's comment on bitter medicine.
I don't want anything to go down, but sometimes you have to take medicine to fix something.
Meanwhile, in India, FPIs turned net sellers again in April after turning buyers in the cash segment last month. Till Friday, FPIs had sold off Indian equities worth 13,730 crore rupees. What has added to the concerns is the Nasdaq officially entering bear territory on Friday, falling more than 20% from its recent peak. This sell-off in the market has hit retail investors, but it has also wiped out a considerable fortune of India's richest. According to Forbes, Mukesh Ambani lost $3.2 billion, Gautam Adani $3.4 billion, Savitri Jindal $2.5 billion and Shiv Nadar $1.2 billion. Meanwhile, investors now have their sights on the RBI rate decision on Wednesday and the earnings season which begins with TCS on Thursday. Bureau Report, PTTV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.